Welcome to the RBT Application tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of completing and submitting your RBT application in the new BACB portal. Don't worry, we'll make sure you know exactly what to expect. Let's get started. Before you start your application, take a moment to gather the documents you'll need. You should have your completed and signed RBT Certification Application Attestation Form, your 40-hour training certificate, and your RBT Initial Competency Assessment Form. Make sure that each document is complete, accurate, and easy to read, because missing or unclear information can delay the processing of your application. Once you're ready, log in to your BACB portal account. From the home screen, click on Applications, then select the RBT Certification application. Read the instructions carefully, then use the Forward button to move through each section of the application. You may encounter error messages as you move through the application if information you enter is incorrect or does not meet the requirements. Be sure to review and resolve all error messages to successfully complete the application. As you progress through the application, you'll notice some helpful icons at the top of the page. If you see a green check mark, that means the section is complete. A red X means there's still something missing, so make sure to complete those sections before finalizing your application. First, review your contact information. Make sure everything is current and correct. We recommend using a personal email address, one you'll always have access to, so you don't miss any important updates. Also, double-check that the name in your BACB portal account matches the name on your current ID. If they don't match, you won't be admitted to the testing center on exam day, so be sure to review it ahead of time. If the name in your BACB portal account does not match your current ID, you can submit a name change request to update the name in your BACB portal account. Next, you'll enter some basic details about your work and behavior analysis. You may have already completed this information when you set up your account. When you're finished with this section, click Forward. The next part of the application asks about any other credentials you may hold. If you don't have any, that's okay. Just select the appropriate option and click Forward to move on. Now it's time to upload your documents, starting with your 40-hour training certificate. Make sure the entire certificate is saved as a single file, then upload it and complete the attestations on the page. After that, you'll enter your trainer's information. You'll need their BACB ID or certification number in order to search for them in the system. Once you've located your trainer, add the start and end dates of your training, the name of your training organization, and click Save. Make sure this tab shows a green check mark before continuing. Up next is your RBT Initial Competency Assessment. You'll follow the same process for this step. Then upload your RBT Certification Application Attestation form using the same steps described earlier. Now you'll see a screen about reporting critical events. You'll be asked to complete an attestation here. If you answer yes, you'll be prompted to provide more information. If you select no, just save and move forward. Next, you will complete attestations confirming that you are the person completing the application. No other person is permitted to complete an application on the applicant's behalf. You will also confirm that you have read the RBT handbook. After that, you'll be asked whether you need any exam accommodations. If you do, select Yes and upload your supporting documentation. Check out our new video on how to request accommodations for an exam, which is linked in the video description. If you do not need to request accommodations, select No and continue. You're almost there. The final step is to review the application processing agreement. Take a moment to read this agreement carefully. Once you're ready, click I agree and continue to the summary page. On the summary page, take one last look at everything you've entered. If it all looks good, click Submit. You'll be directed to the payment page. and we recommend paying right away to avoid any delays in processing your application. After your application has been submitted, you can track its status from the home page of your portal account. If we need anything else from you, you'll see it listed in the Action Items widget on your home page. You can also upload any additional documents there if needed. And one more important note, your application will expire 90 days after payment, so make sure to check your email and portal account notifications regularly. If you have more questions, be sure to check out the RBT Handbook and the Portal Knowledge Base. Thanks for watching and good luck on your RBT journey.